DJ ARKULEN. The DJ. Sound is waking. Bass is near. Clean signal. Loud and clear. Turn it slow, let it rise. Deep bass moving through the night. Clean kick, tight wave. Let the speaker feel the bass. This is the check, this is the tone. Compact power on its own. Keep it clean, let it breathe. Low end pressure underneath. Deep bass. Sound goes low. Clean pressure starts to flow. Feel the punch, feel the wave. DJ ARKULEN brings the bass. Soundtrack low, clean, beat. Feel the sound. Portable sound, rhythm tight, bassline moving through the night. Not too loud, still so clear. Low end energy pulling near. Every speaker, every place finds its own bass space. Pressure rising, sound stays bright. Compact bass cuts the night. Clean response, heavy tones. Speaker power in the zone. Hold the line, let it flow. Deep sound moving down below. Clean attack, strong impact. One more drop, bring it back. Deep bass. Sound goes low. Clean pressure starts to flow. Feel the punch, feel the wave. DJ ARKULEN brings the bass. Speaker test. Bass check. Clean sound. Low impact. Portable power. Deep response. Sound balance. Feel the bass. Listen close, listen wide. Bass vibration moves inside. Deep but clean, strong but clear. Compact sound is moving here. One last rise, one last test. Let the speaker show its best. No rush, no noise. Just sound, down, and bass. Deep bass, clean flow. Low in pressure, down below. Clear vibration, sound sensation. DJ ARKULEN, sound check. Station.